A very good morning to everyone. Welcome to class 11th economics. So it is statistics chapter number 6 we are doing. That is the graphical presentation of data. And we have already covered one single simple bar diagram. But today we are going to have the next one, that is multiple bar diagram. See, this is the next point, multiple bar diagram, where more than one data is being given to you and you have to present that data. You have to make that data on a single bar diagram. Let's see that how different set of data will be presented on a single bar diagram. Let me just take one numerical example directly. Through that only I would just tell you that how you are going to make the multiple bar diagram, that is multiple options on a single graph. Let's see. So let us talk about the multiple bar diagram. As I just told, please write down the question, everyone. All of you, please write down the question. If we talk about the first question, let me give you the question. The question says the following table gives the data of birth rate and death rate, birth rate and death rate in India, from the years, yeah, in India, about different years, different years, right? Present the data, present the data in the form of multiple bar diagram. Present the data in the form of multiple bar diagram. Now, year. The year is being given to you. Years are 1931, then 1941, 1951. It's about the census. So different tenures are given to you. 1961, 1971, 1981, 1991, and 2001. This is given to you. And with the years, we have been provided the two things, birth rate and also death rate. So let's see what is the birth rate first. 46. But this is in thousands, so that doesn't matter that whether that is the percentage, that is in thousands or lakhs, but you have been given the 46. You have to just take care of this thing. Then 45, 40, 42, 41, 37, 32.5, 22.5. This is given to you, which is the birth rate. Along with this, the death rate is also given to you. The death rate is 36, 31, 27, 23, 19, 15, 11.5, and 7.3. This is given to you. So, but this is the data which is being given to you, birth rate and death rate. And accordingly, the question is asking you to make the multiple bar diagram, that is to present the data in the form of a multiple bar diagram. To present the data in the form of multiple bar diagram. So this is being given to you people. बेटे ये आप लोगों को दिया हुआ, ठीक? So let us just start making a diagram, a bar graph, a simple bar graph, but a multiple one. Multiple one. Why I'm saying multiple one? Because in this bar diagram, the data wants to be represented in two ways, birth rate and death rate. So let's start making the diagram. So here I'm making the bar graph. The bar graph I'm making here. So if we talk about this bar diagram, just have a look here. देखिए. Let us first talk about this. Like the text have been given to you this way. You all know that this is the x-axis, and here it will be the y-axis, and this is the, of course, origin. This is your origin. ठीक? Okay, let's start. अब बेटे इसमें एक चीज और ध्यान रखना आप लोग क्या, that on x-axis what we have to make, we have to make the years on the x-axis. So let us make the years here. For the years, you will mention the years given: 1931, then 1941, then 1951. I have less space, so I'm just marking it. Okay, I'm just marking it. Okay, so marking it here. This will be your first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 we have to make. So sixth year. Let us do one thing, because we have to make 2 bars on single na, so just thoda sa give more width. Give more width to it. This will be your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and last one will be your eighth. ठीक है, 8 मैंने बना दिया. Now let us see what we have to take on the y-axis. Y-axis pe, of course, we are going to make the birth rate and death rate. So we are making here birth rate and death rate. We will make it on the y-axis, birth rate and death rate. ये बनाने वाले हम लोग y-axis पे, birth rate and death rate. This will be on the y-axis. ठीक है? Y-axis पे what amount we should take? क्या amount ले हम लोग y-axis पे? I think for the amount, if I talk about that, what amount should be taken? तो minimum दोनों एक साथ बनाने ध्यान रखना. So minimum what amount I can see is 7.3. डेथ रेट एक बार मुझे 7.3 दिख रहा है. एंड मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कहां तक जा रही है दोनों की? अगर हम मैक्सिमम वैल्यू की बात करें तो कहां तक जा रही है इनकी दोनों की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू? तो बेटे अगर हम मैक्सिमम वैल्यू की बात करते हैं इसकी, तो 46 मुझे दिख रहा है. आई थिंक either you can take each or even you can take the difference of 10 each. So both will work. 5 will also work and 10 will also work. So let me take the 10. 10 का difference ले रहा हूँ, ठीक है? I'm taking 10 difference. So this is your 10. This is your 20. This is your 30. Here I'm taking 30. Then this is your 40. So here I'm taking 40. And last, this I'm taking your 50. Okay? So this way I've taken 10 difference. Even you can take the 5 difference also, it hardly matters. Scaling should be proper. Now, let us talk about the first year, 1931. The birth rate to be marked as 46. Death rate to be marked as 36. Okay, let's make the birth rate first. Birth rate to be marked as 46. Mid से थोड़ा सा ऊपर, 45 से थोड़ा सा ऊपर. तो बेटे मैंने ये मार्क कर लिया. This is your 46 birth rate. बेटे birth rate I am representing with red color, and death rate I will represent it with I shall take green color. Death rate is 36. तो यानी कि 35 से थोड़ा सा ऊपर. See, this is your first bar graph. Got it? मिला के बनाना है, एक साथ बनाना है दोनों के लिए, because both are linked for only 1 year. So this way you have to make. All right? Okay. Now let's talk about the second year, 1941. The birth rate is 45. The birth rate is 45. 45 means 45 से थोड़ा सा 46 से थोड़ा सा नीचे. Let's talk about this. This is your birth rate for this year. आप देख रहे हो मैंने गैप छोड़ा बीच में और विड्थ दोनों की सेम लेने की कोशिश की है. थोड़ा सा गैप छोड़ा मैंने because years are changing. So you will also leave some gap in the bar diagram. And if I talk about the green color death rate, that is 31. 30 से थोड़ा सा ऊपर. जहां 30 होगा उससे थोड़ा सा ऊपर. This is your second year bar graph. Clear? The third is 40 and 27. So पहले 40 बनाएंगे हम. Third में it's 40. आप देख रहे हो गैप छोड़ा मैंने बीच में because year is changing. लेकिन बेटे गैप लिमिटेड छोड़ना है. लिमिटेड इन द सेंस स्केलिंग प्रॉपर होनी चाहिए. सबका गैप सेम छोड़ना आप लोग. कॉपी पे इजी होगा ज्यादा बनाना. And with the green I'm going to make 27. यानी कि 25 से थोड़ा सा ऊपर. So this is your third year's bar graph. Then let's talk about the fourth one, which is 42 and 23. 42 and 23. So 42 मतलब फिर 40 से थोड़ा सा ऊपर हो गया. ये आया 42 and then 23 with the green color death rate. 23. 20 से थोड़ा सा ऊपर बेटे, but 25 से नीचे. 23. Okay, so this is your 23. Then again, next one, which says 41 and 19. 41 and 19. 40 से हल्का सा ऊपर. And 41 के साथ 19 is the death rate. Means 20 से हल्का नीचे. Okay. Next is 37 and 15. 37 and 15. 37 and उसके साथ 15. 15 means 20 से हल्का नीचे. I mean 10 और 50, 20 के बीच पे center. And this way you will continue with the others. Getting my point? Got my point that how you have to make the multiple bar diagram. Multiple bar diagram simple when more than one variable is actually presented on a single bar diagram. That comes out to be the multiple bar diagram. So please note it down, everyone, and make the rest for the year 1991 and also for the year 2001. And one important thing which I told you all in the last class with the simple bar diagram also, that whatever you are making, you have to mention. You have to mention it on data. that is on bar, that कितना बनाया आपने? It was 46 and उसके नीचे it was 36. Then you made 45 and it was 31. Then 40 and 27. Then 42 and 23. Then 41 and 19. Then 37 and 15, and so on. Clear to all? So this is your multiple bar diagram. Now I request you all to please come to the exercise. Open page number 144. That is essential practicals of this chapter, and make the diagram of, I'm giving you the question. Better come to page number 146, NCRT questions, question number 4. NCRT questions, question number 4. This question number 4 NCRT question is based upon this multiple bar diagram only. Please start making it, everyone. Question number 4 NCRT question. This is based upon multiple bar diagram only. Even you can have question number 4 also of the essential practicals. Exercise essential practicals, question number 4. Make a multiple bar diagram of the following data. Please write the data, everyone. 3 years you have to make. For 3 years you have to make. Years are 2017, then 2018 and 2019. And what you have to make? You have to make 3 bars. Arts, science, commerce. I repeat, for 3 years you have to make art, science, commerce. The data is for 2017, arts 600, science 400, commerce 200. For 2018, arts 550, science 500, commerce 250. Then 2019 में arts 500, science 600, commerce 300. Please, everyone, just make the multiple bar diagram right now. All of you, make it faster.